is imagine a textbook in any field that's nothing but synthetically generated images based on where you need to go. So rather than reading and listening,
Yeah.
you study a picture.
Hmm.
And then you study another picture and you use the three-dimensional aspects, everything, motion, everything, the gamification, everything you described. Intuitively, that learning process would be more engaging than what you and I went through. So when you start thinking about the power of imagery for learning, somebody who gets this is going to build a system which is like a different learning paradigm that really, really works. But in our lifetimes, we should set a goal of having every single person in the world having the access to an AI doctor and an AI teacher. This would bring everyone up.
Yeah.
Right? Everyone in the world has health problems and educational problems. Why can't we solve them all now?